It has been tough for the whole world because of the pandemic, and obviously we've got a war to deal with as well now. I suppose, pandemic, it exposed certain things to us that the level of poverty out there is unbelievable. And especially currently, like the gas, electric, food, everything's going up, it's not likely to go down.
Mae'r blynyddoedd diwethaf wedi bod yn anodd, a mae'n bwysig yn bod ni yn creu cymunedau ac yn creu pobl sy'n ei fod yn wydn ar gyfer gallu gwynebu heriau'r dyfodol, achos pwy a wyr beth sy'n ei ddigwydd.
We've been working with our members across Wales, listening to what our members have to say and hearing, what's important to our members and how we can work together to shape a positive future. Our focus over the next 5 years is to enable a more diverse voluntary sector that's ready for change and that's also, importantly, an equal partner in achieving the well-being of all citizens in Wales.
Resilience, is a word that I really like, I'll be honest with you, and I think, voluntary sector, it's not possible for us to survive if we are not resilient. It's very important that government do recognise that, how important voluntary sector is. I think government wouldn't be able to deliver the needs of the people, especially during pandemic, without the voluntary sector. Like I'm sitting on a chair, if one leg's missing, that chair is no more stable. So the government needs to realise we, the voluntary sector, are one of those pillars of that chair. We are very vital into delivering to the communities, to the people who are hard to reach, because government are not able to reach everyone.
Drwy weithio gyda'n gilydd, mae y llwyddiant mwyaf yn mynd i ddod. P'un bod ni'n elusennau yn fudiadau cymunedol, yn y sector cyhoeddus neu'r sector breifat, mae'n rhaid i ni gyd weithio gyda'n gilydd. A dyna pryd i ni wir yn gweld nerth y caredigrwydd yna ni wedi gweld dros y blynyddoedd diwethaf yn llwyddo. A dyna sut i ni wedyn ni'n gallu symud mlaen fel un i gael yr effaith mwyaf ac i allu cefnogi y bobl sydd wir angen yn help ni.
So we've got very ambitious goals, but we know that we can't do it alone. We need all our members involved to work with us because we can make a bigger difference together.
As a voluntary organisation, to come together, be able to help each other, enhance each other's strengths and be able to move forward and help the community that needs it. And hopefully whatever challenges lie ahead, we can deal with it together.